Good morning to all. So, in the last class, we discussed about the social impacts and the economic impacts, and also the economic development of regarding the impact of information technology. So, in this class, we are following or continuing the topic, which is the significance of IT in various fields. So, we have about 16 to 17 types of varieties or fields which comes under the topic, which is the significance of the IT. So, the first topic is in business. So, in business, the information technology plays a major role in the management and upkeep of huge amount of information. It helps to create the information as well as aids in information exchange. Due to this, business can work with their clients in any part of the world as though they were in the same building. So, this is regarding the first significance of the IT in various fields. So, in business, the IT is a very important factor in which it helps to to communicate their information in a very good manner with the help of this IT. Then we have another important point regarding the various fields of IT. The second point, which is in the field of medicine. So, in the field of medicine, the information technology plays a major role in various diagnostic procedures such as magnetic resonance imaging, which is the MRI scan, and other tools used to diagnose major conditions. Then these days they are computer aided surgeries that are being performed as well. So, in the medical field too, we have the importance of this information technology in which all the for the scan and for all the purpose regarding the field of this kind of medicine, we have the kind of the information technology as an assistant to give the results and also to perform this kind of scans. So, this is regarding the significance of IT in the medical field. Then the third point is regarding the significance of IT in the field of science and engineering. So, we all know regarding the science and engineering field in which informatics is or the information technology is a very important tool to give the procedures or the works with the help of this kind of computers or all the mobile devices or the internet. So, all these things are very influential for this science and engineering field too. So, information technology plays an important role in the collection and exchange of demographic data, weather reports, behavior sciences, and numerous other areas where automation and quick work is needed. So, this means that all the fields or all the topics which comes under the science and engineering, the importance or the influence of information technology is very inevitable. So, it is regarding the third point regarding the significance of IT. Then the fourth point is regarding the significance of IT in the various security field. So, the security systems is running on the basis of this kind of information technology. For example, the security camera or all other security systems are works with the help of this kind of computer technology. So, it means that it is also a very important factor for the security systems in which the information technology has contributed to various security systems for homes and as well as for business to a large extent. More complex security systems are being used in the cases of the government agencies and military bases, which means that in every sector for the purpose of the security, the information technology or the computing field is very important in order to give a kind of safety and a kind of prominent safety for all the sectors which comes under the security section. So, this is regarding the fourth point of the significance. So, we discussed the first 4 point of this significance of IT field. The first one was regarding the business, the field of business. The second one was regarding the medicinal field. The third one was regarding the science and engineering field, and the fourth one was regarding the security systems, in which in all these 4 factors, the information technology is an inevitable factor. Then the fifth point is regarding the public databases and secret identification of people. which means that all the identification process and also the public databases, which includes the census and all the important data, can be recorded in the kind of these laptops or the computing system with the help of this internet and all the purpose to share and process the data. So it means that in this field, which is the public database and secret identification of people, in this specific field too, information technology plays an inevitable role. Then also the kind of, in fact, a large number of criminals are traced with the aid of modern technology, since the exact location of people can be traced by tracking out all the computers that they have used. So it means that we can track all the information and all the ways of this kind of malfunction of this kind of so for example, there is a kind of the criminals which is given in the textbook. So it means that we can trace and we can find out all the misfunctions of this kind of security issues and also for this public databases and secret identification with the help of information technology. So this is regarding the fifth point. And the next point is regarding the GPS, which means the global positioning system, in which it is a important factor of information technology, in which it helps to catching up the with more and more people these days. Using this technology, people can not only track out travel routes, but can also recover the stolen items such as cars, mobiles, phones, etc. So it means that the GPS system is also runs with the help of this information technology. So in the first 6 points, the information technology is an inevitable role in all these fields, especially for the business purpose, for the medicinal purpose, for the kind of science and engineering purpose, and also for the kind of security systems, then the public databases and the identification of the people for the purpose, and also for the GPS. So in all these fields, information technology or the computing system is a very important factor, in which without this kind of computing system or the information technology or all the ways of interconnecting of these factors, we cannot proceed or we cannot succeed in these factors. So seventh point regarding the various fields in the significance of it is that regarding the entertainment sector. So we all are familiar with the kind of entertainment sector with the help of this information technology, in which films or the games and all the factors with the help of this information technology. We all know, we all are familiar with this kinds of entertainment system regarding the information technology. So it is very important factor too. So it is extremely important to the entertainment sector than the numerous special effects, graphical additions and innovative multimedia application are being used these days in movies, and also all this can be made possible because of information technology. So it means that all the factors behind the entertainment sector is processed with the help of this kind of information technology. Then the next point is regarding the www, which is the World Wide Web. So this is the major or the most important factor of the internet in order to perform this kind of data or to search and also to exchange the kind of security databases and all the functions. This kind of World Wide Web, which is very important. So this is commonly known as the internet and is the most important means of linking the world, and also without the internet we could just as well return to the Stone Age. And also the communication has become much easier and the world is much smaller place thanks to the information technology. So which means that the World Wide Web is also runs, or it also performs with the help of this information technology, in order to we can connect link the people with the other in a very simple manner with the help of this World Wide Web. Then the next point is the ninth point regarding the significance of IT is that IT provide the better usage for the natural resources too. So it is a very a very recent factor in which we can implement this kind of information technology in every aspect of nature too. For example, for the agriculture purpose and for the other contract and all other purpose, we can rely on this kind of information technology. So here to the agriculture, which is mentioned in the textbook. So agriculture is the main vehicle which needs a rural policy to be delivered. IT increases the shareability of information, typically used for improving income and earning opportunities. For example, the weather news for farmers to enhance sustainable growth in farming, and to exchange these kind of ideas, we can get this help of this kind of information technology. Then the 10th point regarding the significance of IT is that IT helps to enhance the economical status. So we already discussed about the impact of economics in the field of information technology. So here too we have a clear idea regarding the economic status of the IT. So for both government and private provision, one of the IT or the IT's main direct benefit is in increasing the efficiency by economizing on resource use in the operation of firms as well as in market transactions. There is a need for better matching of buyers and sellers and creation of new markets. So it is also very important in which IT helps to enhance or to improve the efficiency of the all the economical status with the help of this kind of computing technologies. Then the most important point regarding the significance of IT is that the IT in education field. So it is very important. As of now, the education sector is running with the help of this information technology. So the primary importance of information technology in education is that various learning resources can be accessed instantly by students as well as teachers. So with the help of this information technology, we can connect the education area to a very wide concept in which we can connect with the students, with the teachers, and also share the notes, share the lessons, and also this kind of online classes. So with the help of this information technology, we can clearly get a clear idea, especially regarding this point, which is the IT in education field. So it is very important factor in the education too. Then at their convenience, we can form a kind of timetable or to follow certain types of guidelines with the help of this information technology in order to succeed in this education field, and also for to make examination online, and also all the fields. For example, the NTA or the UGC conducting the kind of entrance exams with the help of this information technology. So it is very important in the education field too. So learners can also adopt multimedia approach and collaborative learning. The information is authentic and the latest updated information is available. Multiple communication approaches like chats, forms, emails, etc. can be adopted by them, and students can access the online libraries, and distance learning is also possible with the help of this information technology. And also IT has proved to be a significant employer, and also we can say that many people with knowledge of computers have got jobs in the field of information technology and have successfully made it into a career. So which means that the job opportunities in the field of information technology is also a very important factor while we discuss this topic, which is IT in education field. And also it has helped in finding the cures for many diseases, thereby serving mankind in more ways than one. And different kinds of software are provided for hearing and visually impaired people, which aids them in their passion for learning new things and gathering information. So it means that in the education field too, it helps in a very wide manner in which to give this kind of softwares to help the visually impaired people, and for the this kind of aids, and simply we can say that with the help of the IT or the kind of these computing devices, improves in the field of this education sector in a very good manner. So that's regarding the IT in the education field. Then the IT for employment. So we already discussed regarding the employment in this last topic, which is IT in education field. So IT in employment means that not only in education, which is important factor, and computer education too is a critical, considering the role that the technology plays in our lives, and it is likely to play in the coming years. Moreover, the youth with adequate computer knowledge could be employed in jobs and IT related areas, providing the prospect of using technology. So which means that for employment purpose, IT is a very important factor. It gives a kind of a good assistance to get these kind of job opportunities, to share their experience for online kind of this marketing and job promotions. So IT plays a very important role in the field of education as well as in the field of employment too. Then the 13th point regarding the significance of IT is that IT in administration, which means in the field of governance. So a government is very much like a large multi-location enterprise, and if you think of intelligent and real-time enterprises, we can also apply the same ideas to enable the intelligent and also the real-time governance. And a real-time enterprise is a company that uses the internet technology to drive out manual business processes, to eliminate the guesswork and to reduce the cost. So which means that the IT plays a clear or a very important role in the field of administration too, in order to help this kind of all the activities which comes under the governance and administration, in order to divide and give this kind of duties to a kind specific groups and people. So IT plays an important role in the kind of administration too. Then the 14th point in the regarding the IT, the significance of IT is that IT in healthcare. So IT in healthcare means that information technology is an inevitable part of the field of medicine, and here we have a adjacent point to this field of medicine, which is the healthcare. So the care of for the rural residents in their own homes as far as possible is sometimes difficult to implement due to difficulties in recruiting and retaining staff in this poorly paid sector. IT can be better applied to enhance the rural development and improve the standards of living as a whole. And with the concerns for commitment in health, education and governance, which means that IT is a very plays an important role in the healthcare to give assistance for these kind of people who face many difficulties, especially in the rural areas. So IT helps to give guidelines, the information regarding the new updates regarding the healthcare and all the information regarding the this medicinal sector. We can share the ideas with the help of this information technology. For example, by giving the messages or calling them with the help of the mobile phones, and also getting the data with the help of these computers, with the, especially for the kind of sector which plays an important role in the kind of accepting the database is that the Akshaya centers, which helps both the healthcare and also for the kind of education sector. The education sector to the Akshaya center is a very important role, which helps to enhance or to improve the databases and also all the needs to get a kind of this kind of data. So it is regarding the IT in the healthcare. Then the second last point in the field of the importance of IT in the various field is that IT in commercial business. So IT in commercial business means that the advances in information technology have heavily influenced the commercial business in several areas. So it specifically aims for the commercial business. So the most important role of information technology in a commercial business, however, is to provide a commercial advantage, and also advances such as a computer aided design, relational databases technologies, spreadsheets and word processing software provides a commercial benefit to the business as goes automation of manufacturing processes and advances in information technology over the last 30 years have led to the television and also, for example, being more widely used today than the 30 years ago, which means that the introduction of transistor based television reduced the cost while increasing the reliability. So it means that IT in commercial business also includes all kind of these kind of business, and also all the advancement in the field of business field as well as for the home purpose too. So it means that the kind of databases for the spreadsheets, for the word data and processing softwares, all these things provides a kind of commercial benefit to the business, and also the automation, it is a very important factor in these days too. So automation means it provides the automatic kind of this all these process in a very systematic manner by providing a kind of scheduled databases. So it is also very important, and also we can focus on the topic which is television, which improved a kind of to get a kind of a real-time update regarding all the events, all the news and factors with the help of this television. So it is also a kind of important role in the field of IT. It also relates with the IT field. Then the last point is that the IT in news and media organizations. So it is very important factor for all these purpose, especially for the media and as well as for these kind of news channels. The important factor is the cameras and the computers, mobile devices, and all the kind of information technologies. For example, the connectivity for the internet and for to transfer the communication, their data, all these things are focused on the information technology. So in the specifically in this news and media field, the IT plays a very crucial role to process their data and all the activities. So due to the nature of news and media organization, information technologies have particular relevance to them, as defined by the Information Technology Association of America, which is ITAA, is the study, design, development and implementation, and also the support or management of computer-based information systems, particularly software applications and computer hardware. So it is a definition to information technology by the ITAA, which is the Information Technology Association of America, in which the IT in news and media organization means that it is the study, design, development, implementation, support or management of computer-based information systems, particularly software applications and computer hardware. And also, as noted earlier, the information technology is the technology used to store, manipulate and distribute or create information. It is a very important definition of the information technology. I repeat, information technology is the technology used to store, manipulate, distribute or create the information. So this is regarding a clear idea regarding the definition of information technology. And news and media organizations are intimately acquainted with each of these elements of information technology. So that's regarding the IT in news media, and also all the other factors regarding this kind of news and media organization. So IT plays a very important crucial role in the IT in the field of news and especially for the media organization. So that's regarding the significance of IT in the various fields, especially in the topics that we discussed today was regarding the 16 main important factors in which IT plays a significant role in all these kind of various factors. So that's regarding the major topic which comes under the significance of IT in various fields. So to conclude this topic, which is the significance of IT in various fields, we can see that in the textbook itself it is clearly given that today we are all in agreement that the world is becoming increasingly dependent dependent upon the technology, as is evidenced by the big role which is the playing role, then the internet has become a major shareholder. So internet, in this field, in the field of information technology, the importance of internet is very, very important, in which without this kind of internet, all the facilities which provided by internet technology, all the providers, all these kind of things regarding the internet, without this help we cannot share or to transfer the data in a very good manner. So internet is a very important aspect in the field of information technology. So the internet has become a major shareholder, and all developing nations can derive tremendous advantages from this technology for updating the knowledge of its researchers and scientists. And also the Indian software and services industry, which means that all the kind of factors regarding the software technology, software development, and all the companies regarding this kind of software team. So the Indian software and services industry has significantly helped to boost the Indian economy. So it is very important aspect in which the Indian made or the development of the Indian kind of softwares by Indians, it helped to improve, to boost the kind of the Indian economy. So it is a very important factor. And also society expects to be able to store information more than was previously conceived, and also society expects to be able to manipulate the information it has for its own benefit, and also to increase the understanding and discover new relationships. Society expects to be able to distribute the information quickly and also to efficiently and cheaply. And the government of India has been working gradually and successfully towards improving the IT policy climate in the country. So which means that to improve, to advance in all the field of IT sector, all the governments, especially in our country, the government of India also working gradually and successfully towards improving the IT policy climate in the country. So which means that IT is an inevitable role in every aspect, especially for our day-to-day life. For example, like the mobile device, which is an inevitable part of our life, and also all the kind of computing aspects, all the things which is related to information technology became an inevitable aspect of our life, which means that it has a great advantage and also some kind of disadvantages too. So here we already discussed about the significance of IT in various fields in the last class regarding the impact of information technology, which particularly in the economic impacts, social impacts, and also for the economic development. And in this class we discussed about 16 points, 16 topics in which the significance of IT in various fields, which includes the significance of IT in business field, then the field of medicine, then the field of science and engineering, then the information technology, which is an which is a very important aspect of the security systems, then the public databases and for the secret identification, and also for the GPS, it is a very important factor. Then for the entertainment sector, which is an inevitable factor. Then the World Wide Web, which is basically to connect for the linking the world, commonly known as by the name the internet. Then for the better usage of natural resources, then the enhancement of economic status, then the major important point, which is the IT in education field, then the IT for the employment, then IT for in the field of governance, for the administration, then IT in healthcare, then also we discussed about the commercial IT in the commercial business, and lastly regarding the IT in news and media organization. So this means that in every aspect, in every fields, we have to depend upon the kind of information technology in a very systematic manner. We get a quick and very significant result with the help of information technology, and also all these things, all these data are stored in a kind of storage device, in the cloud storage or in the kind of databases in the computers. So it means that we can reproduce all these data whenever we want. We can share, we can also we can take all this data whenever it is necessary. So it means that IT has a kind of a very important kind of role in the field of all these fields. Especially we can broadly we can see that in the field of medicine, in the field of business, in the field of education, and also in the field of our all the aspects which are related to economic development, so social impact. So it means that in all these fields, IT is an inevitable part of our life, and all the devices which comes under the information technology means that it is it helps to give a kind of a good assistance, a kind of digital assistance in a very systematic manner. So IT is an inevitable aspect of our life. So this is regarding the topic in impact of information technology that we discussed in the last class. The first part of this topic was discussed in the last class. So today we discuss the second part, which comes under the third topic of this paper, the first chapter of this paper, which is the significance of information technology. And we discussed the major points like the components of information technology, then the impact of information technology. Then today we discussed the significance of IT in various fields. The 16 points, all these points are very important. Maybe this question is like a essay in order to get a clear idea regarding to evaluate the impact of information technology or explain about the significance of information technology in various fields. So these are some expected questions from these topics. So that's regarding the major points regarding this topic, which is the significance of IT in various fields, especially IT or the ICT, information communication technology. It is a, we can say that we cannot succeed in or we cannot fulfill all the kind of our needs without the help of this computer technology or all the information technology, because it provides all the necessary and also all the aspects for our need in a very systematic manner, in a very improved manner, and it is enhancing the performance day by day, providing the new kind of advancement in the field of IT, which means that in the field of mobile networking for the communication, for example, in the 4G, which is the important factor for the mobile network, and also for the connectivity, the fiber net, which is gives a kind of very important, very speedy kind of the data. So it means that in all the fields, the advancement or the development in each field means that it helps to improve or to helps to all the users, all the consumers, all the companies in a very important, in a very systematic and very important factor. It means that it provides a kind of easiest way or a very simple way to transfer the data, to maintain a kind of a systematic improvement, systematic structure in all the fields. So IT is an important field in all these aspects. So that's regarding the topic, which is the impact of information technology, and also the major topic which we discussed today was regarding the significance of IT in various fields. So this is regarding this topic. So the next topic is regarding the internet, the significance of internet, which is the fourth main topic in this chapter, which is the general introduction to computers, which is the first module in the informatics paper. So we discussed today the major points regarding the significance of information technology, and in the last class we also discussed about regarding the major points regarding the impact of information technology, and also the components of information technology, and also the major 3 topics in this chapter. We already completed all these topics, which includes the generations of computer, the history of computers, then the types of computers, and thirdly regarding the significance of IT. And we are going to focus on the next topic, the last topic of this module, which is the significance of internet, which is also a very important aspect in the field of the information technology and in our day-to-day life. So that's regarding the major points of major topics that we have to focus on the later classes. So that's for today. Thank you. Happy learning.